Now available for meetings by mail. Introducing the Vascular Imaging Educators Workshop, brought to you by the Society for Vascular Ultrasound's 43rd Annual Conference. Worth up to 20 AMA PRA Category 1 credits, this activity meets Vascular Lab's CME requirements for physicians, technologists, and sonographers. Available in online streaming and DVD-ROM formats, VIEW features over 40 experts from the SVU, delivering a complete educational experience for all vascular laboratory professionals. Topics include real-time B-mode imaging, color and spectral Doppler, non-invasive techniques, reflux, lower extremity venous evaluation, pelvic venous disorders, duplex protocols, cerebrovascular, COVID-19, wounds, CLTI, hemodialysis access, flow dynamics, practice enhancements, ergonomics, and much more. Let's take a look at one of the presentations.
Now, following endarterectomy, there's also a big change in hemodynamics, but in the opposite direction. After one does an endarterectomy and places a patch in the carotid bulb, the diameter is increased and the vessel wall compliance increases, both of which will result in a decrease in peak systolic velocity.
Meet your Vascular Lab CME requirements with VIEW from the Society for Vascular Ultrasound. Available now at meetingsbymail.com.